Hi, this is Karen with Swisher. We're here today with Mike, our service technician. He's going to be showing us some best practices on adjusting the belt tension on your finish cut mowers.
Hi, I'm Mike with Swisher. Today I'm going to show you a procedure with all finish cuts, your 44, your 60, and 66 inch cuts on how to tighten up your belt. We have a long belt tension. It's down here in the back. This eye bolt and this idle arm. This nut back here, just tighten that nut up and that will put tension on your belt. Then you have an engage rod that you will need to attention for your short belt that's up underneath your motor base here. You want to take this back nut a ½ inch up to an inch to the back of the threads. Then you want to pull this out with your hand and hold that rod in place and tighten that nut up. And that will put tension on the short belt up underneath the motor base. And that's how you tighten your belts for your finish cut.
Thanks for stopping by today and getting some tips and tricks on how to keep your belt tension on your machines and keep your machine running. If you need any parts, any technical assistance, you can give us a call at 1-800-222-8183. You can shop online at www.swisherinc.com or come by and see us at 1602 Corporate Drive here in Warrensburg, Missouri for American-made products.